Doing some sweet and spicy fried chicken wings today. Gonna make sure that chicken is clean. Using some hot pepper sauce. It's a little spicy, but it's not that spicy. Follow with some complete seasoning, and you can use any kind of hot sauce you like with some paprika and some black pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and get that all in there. Now go ahead and mix it all together. Get all them chicken wings coated very well. Get them nice and coated. Make sure you got that pot with any kind of oil you want to use. Getting up to temp. Put that in a bag. I'm using a Ziploc with some all-purpose flour. Done gave it a shake, and that's how it's looking. In they go. Since we're using a sauce, we're going to make sure we fry this a little bit extra crispy. I'm aiming for 10 to 12 minutes. 10 minutes it'll be done, but we want to keep it going another 2 minutes so it can be extra crispy. Now we're doing this in batches. 12 minutes. Go ahead and take those out. Gonna put those on a wire rack. Get all those out. Make sure you put it on the wire rack if you have one. If not, paper towels will do. And like I said, we're doing this in batches. Here go that second batch with a third one to follow. Let's go ahead and get that sauce going. We're going to use some unsalted butter. That's about 2 tablespoons. Some low sodium soy sauce. Now here I'm using some crystal hot sauce. You can use any kind of hot sauce you want. With some ground ginger. And some crushed red pepper flakes. Can't forget about the sweetness, so I'm using some honey. Now you want to go ahead and bring this up to get it to start boiling. And then turn it right off and let it little simmer with the lid on. After all that's said and done, chicken ready. The chicken is ready. Got that on that wire rack, letting all that drip down. Look at it. Gotta have one. Now you go ahead and put that sauce in the pot. Add them chicken wings. Add as many as you like. Now stir it all together. Mix that all in. Mix, mix, mix. And like I said, I'm doing this in batches also with the sauce. Here we go. Sweet, spicy, delicious, with a little tang. Chicken wings. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Please subscribe if you like. If you like what you see, hit that notification bell. Appreciate you.